Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope you've been enjoying all the videos that we are putting up every other day. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Just click on the bell icon and subscribe to our channel to get all the relevant and technical videos right into your inbox. Today we'll go with the WP School Management System again. We'll just focus on how student onboarding works in WP School Management System. Actually, WP School Management can make student onboarding very easy. So let's have a look at the whole system. So once you have installed WP School in your local host or in your site, you will see the student admission link published on your front page. And once you click on student admission, you will see that these are the easy to do form number. So you can add dates and everything is coming up easily. Then you enter the first name, last name, detail of the student's date of birth, gender, and so on. You also define the student's address. So this is basically collecting all the basic detail of the student, including address, phone numbers, and email, and their previous school, things like that, which is very important when you are approving any school application, a student application in your school. So you capture all these details with the front end. So student doesn't need to sign up or log in. They are just applying for the admission in your school. So this is very effective way of collecting student details. This you may also call it leads. If there are siblings, you can also collect those details. You can also collect the parents' detail as well. Or student can also actually skip those details and just apply it. So this is how you can see the success message where student has applied for the admission. Now let's see how it looks like in the admin side, right? So we have seen that the front end, the way student applies for the admission. Now on the admin side, once you log in, you will see the dashboard where all the basic details that we have already covered. But let's look at the admission tab. This is how the new application details comes up in the list view. So Bendial Joseph is the student which has recently applied. His details are already captured in our system. His previous school, St. Thomas High School, and all those things. Now we can actually see this student is good for our school, that we can approve it. Maybe we can actually if you don't want, then we'll just reject the application kind of things. If you want to approve the student application, we'll set a temporary password, select the class for which we want to admit the student into, and then provide a roll number. So this way the student can be activated in our school. And so the active student button, just do that. The student record is approved successfully. Now if you see search for this particular student, you will see that all data is created for this particular student, parent details. And this is a very basic way of applying admitting a student, and it gives a comprehensive, this particular way you comprehensive student details, parent list, and all those things. So that was it. Now let's look at the import student. How does import student through CSV import works in the system, because sometimes you don't want to do one by one student admission. You want to do bulk admission. So you go on student list and click on import, then select a class for which you want to import it. There might be set particular way of formatting the CSV before you import. So check out the documentation first. Over here we have formatted the CSV according to that and selected the CSV from our local machine. Now upload the CSV button. So this is how the whole student list was uploaded. Now you might want to search it. I mean, these are the students, as you can see in the Excel that we just imported. So Crawford, Santana, these are Mary, Lawrence, Roosevelt. These are the students that we just imported. So we can go and search for these. So you can see the 3 students at the top in the list. These are all already imported in our system. And these students, if you click on what particular student, and if you go in detail page, you will see all the details to be populated for them. Similarly, export can be done as well. So you have the student list. You can want to export maybe some people who have students who have not paid the fees. You can also export those students. So go to student list, click on export CSV, select the class, select the section, and you can export the whole data in CSV. This might be useful if you want to have CRM or something like that, where you want to import all this data by exporting it. So all these details, first name, last name, and the middle address, birth date, all the basic student details, including phone and email, comes up. Now let's see how to take student attendance, because we've done onboarding, and let's quickly look at how attendance works, because these are day in day out tasks for any school. So you can select a date for which select a class. So we are in admin, that's why we are having all these options. Otherwise it's just a class section selection, and then you can take view attendance. So all the students of class 4 section 2 comes up, and you can take present, absent, or if the student is there is a third status which is late, like if student has come but it was late. So this is the way you actually do the attendance in the school. Student teacher can take attendance, admin or support staff can take attendance depending on access right in the system. So let's save the attendance, and then let's check it out how the actual attendance has been reflected. So this is a successful message, attendance has been successfully saved. Now let's go into student detail page. Let's select the Roosevelt student, select the attendance. Now this is where you see the student has been my attendance is marked as present. So this is similar to every student. So this is how the onboarding student onboarding system works in WP School, and attendance is also being shown. I hope you will like the video and it has been useful. I mean, if you already purchased, use this video as a guide as well. Thank you everyone. Thank you.